Hi guys, we're 1 week away from our big writing celebration, but I have some tips for you. I love that you've been working on rereading to edit your information books, and these are a few tricks that I have to help you spell tricky words correctly. I know that you can tell when a word isn't spelled right, but sometimes you just leave it because you don't know what to do. Well, here's a few tips to help you spell the words correctly. One thing you can do is write the word a few times, trying out different ways that you think it could be spelled. Then you circle the one that looks best and check it with your writing partner, so that could be anyone that you live with. For example, if I was trying to write the word receive, I could try it out like this, or like this. Then I'm going to look through each one and decide what looks right. Then I'll circle that one so that when I'm going to put it in my writing, I know which one to use. Another strategy you could try is to use a dictionary to find the tricky word and fix it if necessary. So you'll look, if you have a dictionary, you'll open it to the letter of the alphabet that it starts with, and then go in alphabetical order to try and find the word. A third strategy you could try for spelling a tricky word correctly is to Google it. You can go to google.com, type the word in the search box, and hit enter. When the search results come up, it might say, "Did you mean?" Usually the correct spelling of the word you are looking for will come up. You know so many ways to figure out how to spell these tricky words. It's your job to fix them up. So remember these strategies. My second tip for the day is to fancy up your writing. To fancy up your writing, there's lots of things that you can do. The first one is to create a cover page. To make a cover page, just get a separate piece of paper to attach to the front. You can decorate it to match what your story is about. Come up with a cool title. Step 2, draw pictures that go with your writing. That means if you're writing about bikes, you can add a picture of a bike. If you're writing about cleaning, draw your cleaning supplies. Then you can add color to your pictures. Adding color will help your reader picture it even better in their mind. The last step you could do to fancy up your writing is to create a Meet the Author page like we've done for every other unit this year. Your Meet the Author can go at the end of the book so that the readers can learn more about you and why you chose that topic. So your job today is to fix up any spelling using any of those 3 strategies, and to fancy up your writing with the cover, pictures, color, and a Meet the Author page. I can't wait to see your finished pieces at our celebration.